Welcome to Futura Industries. Our company promotes teamwork, quality, and responsibility. We seek out the best from both our workplace teams and individual team members, and we acknowledge and reward their accomplishments. It's all part of creating a highly motivated workforce that's invested in company-wide quality and customer success. We have two buildings we manufacture from. H11, located within the Clearfield Freeport Center. It is our main building where the extrusion and anodizing processes occur. We have a fantastic health clinic on site at H11, where services are free to employees on the Futura health plan. We offer many other benefits which are listed in the Employee Benefits Guide. Our P2 building is located just east of H11, off Industrial Parkway in Clearfield. This is where we manufacture small vent parts such as truck grills and our high-strength, lightweight T-slots. The warehouse is located roughly a half-mile northwest of H11. This building is responsible for the processing of freight claims, loading and unloading of trailers, and many other services. The warehouse also ships our finished products to customers all over the world. We would like to welcome you to Futura Industries, where you are not just an employee but part of our family. We've gone to great lengths to ensure our facility is comfortable, efficient, and most importantly, safe. Did you know that 99.9% of all workplace injuries that occur can be avoided? The truth is, we're all in control of the circumstances around us. The best way to avoid potential injury is to be aware of your surroundings and follow Futura's Cardinal safety rules. Futura's Cardinal safety rules have to do with behavior or actions that could or have resulted in serious injury. Let's take a moment to examine these rules. Do not put soda pop cans in any aluminum scrap bins or carts. These may contain liquids that when melted may explode, causing serious injury. Observe lockout, tagout, try procedures. This is de-energizing your machine and then trying them to ensure all energy sources have been properly removed and shut down to ensure your safety. First, you must notify all affected employees. This is any employee involved in operating the machine. You will then need to ask the machine operator to shut the machine down properly. Once the machine has been shut down properly, you'll need to identify all power sources. After identifying the power sources, they need to be locked and tagged. Check to make sure that the machine has been properly powered down. After performing the machine maintenance, all locks and tags must be removed. Once locks and tags have been removed, notify the operator so the machine can be powered up and tested to ensure the equipment is running properly. Observe confined space entry requirements. A confined space is considered large enough to enter and perform work, but has limited or restricted means of entry or exit, and is not designed for continuous employee occupancy. Keep all parts of your body, usually hands and fingers, at least 6 inches away from all types of rotating cutters, such as saw blades and shapers, and the path they take. This applies whether the cutters are moving or not. Do not walk on anodic tanks unless properly tied off with the safety harness. The exception to this rule is if both adjacent tanks are covered with process hoods or hard covers. Arm guards or long sleeves that cover the entire upper and lower arm under full range of motion are required in the anodizing area when racking or unracking, and in buff and hammer when working with or around racks. This is to avoid cuts from sharp metal edges. Follow all rules, guidelines, directions in all job safety analysis, policies, and procedures. The JSA will explain what personal protective equipment is needed while working on each machine, taking you step by step through each process. For each step, the potential hazards or risks are identified. Once the hazards are understood, the consequences of each are then identified, followed by control measures to eliminate or reduce the hazards. Safety glasses with side shields must be worn at all times while on the plant floor of P2, H11, and the production areas of the warehouse at J8. Please be aware of hot surfaces, especially in the extrusion area and around scrap bins. The machines we use and the material they process reach extremely high temperatures. Even finished products require time to cool. Remember, aluminum doesn't glow red when it's hot, so it looks the same at 1,000 degrees as it does at room temperature. Employees are required to wear steel-toed shoes on the plant floor of H11, J8, and P2. Employees with hair longer than shoulder length must pull their hair back when operating any kind of rotating piece of equipment to prevent their hair from getting caught in the machine. Employees should also take great caution when operating equipment while wearing jewelry such as rings, necklaces, and bracelets. Here at Futura, we take safety seriously. Violation of these rules will result in a suspension or termination of employment. Safety is a lifestyle, not a behavior. Together we can work to correct unsafe acts and conditions. Take the proper steps to avoid injury to yourself and others. Your friends, family, and coworkers will thank you.